They said he was just another actor. They said the DMK and AIDMK duopoly would never be broken. But in the assembly elections of 2026, the Thalapathy wave didn't just hit the coast, it broke the stronghold. Tamilga Vetri Kadakam, a party that didn't even exist 3 years ago, has now emerged as the single largest party in Tamil Nadu. And in a historic shock, MK Stalin, the sitting chief minister, has lost his own seat in Kolkata. The Dravidian era, as we knew it, is over. Hello, I'm Divyanshu, and today we break down the fall of an old order and the rise of a new political force in Tamil Nadu. Let's get into it. In Tamil Nadu, cinema and politics have always been connected. But Vijay took it further. He didn't just launch a party, he turned popularity into movement. Fans didn't just support him, they celebrated him like a symbol, even performing Palavishekam on his cutouts. His films like Kathi and Marcel were more than entertainment. They carried strong social and political messages. So, by the time he entered politics, he was not seen as a newcomer.
உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச இந்த விஜய் மாமாவுக்காக இந்த விஜய் மாமா ஜெயிக்கணும்ன்றதுக்காக
He was already a familiar face, fighting for people on screen for decades. The numbers are striking. TVK secured a 34.9% vote share. To compare, Tamil Nadu's very own MGR's debut set the benchmark at around 30%. So, we can say that Vijay didn't just enter politics. He disrupted it. While TVK surged ahead, DMK's fall came from a slow build-up of public dissatisfaction. The Dravidian model under MK Stalin began facing criticism over rising cost of living, unemployment concerns, and a growing disconnect between the government and the younger voters. The visible rise of dynastic politics, especially around Udayanithi Stalin, added to the backlash, with many feeling merit was being sidelined. And on the ground, issues like law and order concerns, corruption allegations, and weak local administration further fueled anti-incumbency. And at the same time, DMK struggled to connect with Gen Z, while TVK used a strong personality-driven appeal to fill that gap. The result was a major setback. DMK dropped from 133 seats to 59. And the biggest shock, MK Stalin losing Kolathur by 8,795 votes to a TVK newcomer. Only the second time in Tamil Nadu history, a sitting chief minister has lost their own seat because the youth were tired of the dynasty tax. They saw rising inflation and law and order failures and decided that if the DMK would not change, they would change the DMK.